Dear viewer, if you have been a resident of Delhi, it is quite likely you would have seen a white-blue car ferrying passengers in and out of the airport. That's a distinct fleet of BluSmart, a portal for an all-electric vehicle. It's been in the news recently for its connection with Gensol Engineering, the stock that nosedived nearly 80% from the peak and has been in news for all the wrong reasons. Both have a common promoter and are linked businesses. The rating agencies recently accused Gensol of falsifying the documents on debt servicing record, thus raising concerns on corporate governance issues and liquidity and debt servicing capability in the business. Since that allegation, the stock is down over 50%. Do note that this report came in March. In Feb 2025, well before the rating agencies sounded the alarm that led to the drastic fall, the promoter had sold over Rs 11 crore worth of stock. Interestingly, a few months ago, in October 2024, the insiders had bought the stock from the open market at much higher price, although the total amount used to buy was much lower than the amount sold. Looking at these conflicting transactions, a savvy investor could have suspected something fishy well before the rating agencies did. In another case, over $1 billion worth of shares were sold by insiders in the open market before Enron became a public debacle. While insider selling is not always a red flag, tracking insider buying can give you decent insights into the underlying potential of the business. You see, there is nothing illegal about insider trading as long as it follows the rules which are laid out by the regulators. The insider information is public and can help you get a good lead over other investors and shortlisting potential winners. Imagine you and your friend competing in a new video game. The game offers multiple routes, a few of which could lead you to the jackpot. Now there are experienced players too playing the same game who are better informed about what lies ahead, who are also trying to win. If you could find a way to follow their steps around, the chances of you getting a lead over your friend are higher. Similarly, tracking insider activity, although it may not produce a guaranteed result, can help you gain some edge over the investors who are trying to strike rich in stocks. So promoters and other insiders are like experienced players who have already navigated similar routes before, having been in the business since inception in most cases. They know the rules of the game and the possible influences of the external factors on the business better than an outside investor and even so-called smart investors. So, by tracking insider buying, you can build a watch list of stocks where insiders are showing confidence in the business prospect by putting at stake their personal money. And it may even help you sidestep a few landmines in case of suspicious insider sales. Let us now take a look at the big insider buying transactions from the open market in the month of March, where the stocks have witnessed insider buying of Rs 1 crore or more. You see, the insider buying was quite healthy in this month amid correction in the markets. It is likely that some of the stocks have been bettered more than warranted. And if you are a long-term investor, tracking insider buying could give you a good lead or head start by helping you shortlist stocks that promoters can't get enough of. For this list, I have excluded companies with high debt to equity of above 1 times, companies with zero institutional holdings, and the ones with market cap below Rs 5 billion, where promoter pledging is above 10%, of companies with return ratios below 10%. Reason is that we want to do a basic screening for fundamentals and liquidity. Further, only open market purchases have been considered. Also, cases where conflicting trades were happening, that is, cases where buying and selling were happening around the same time or price, have been excluded. So these are the names that have qualified these filters and where the current stock price is either at a discount or not more than 10% than the average insider buying price. Do note that this is not a recommendation. Following promoter or insider activity does not guarantee success and further due diligence is needed. Nonetheless, it's a good way to shortlist stocks in a volatile market. If you found this video useful, do press the like button. Let me know your feedback in the comment section, and for more such updates, subscribe to Equitymaster video channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.